Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today we will learn the use of A and N. Children, in our previous video we stated that what are vowels and consonants. Children, as you know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest of all are consonants. But children, today we will learn that those letters which starts from the vowel we write in front of AN, and those words which starts from consonants we write in front of A. Now let's start our work. Children, this is orange. This is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And which letter starts from? The orange starts from O. O. Is this vowel or consonant? Yes, this is vowel. So we will write here A-N. A-N. This is rabbit. This is rabbit. And this word starts from R. Children, R is a vowel or consonant? Yes, R is a consonant. So we will write here A. A. This is bus. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. And this word starts from consonants because B is not a vowel. So we will write here A. This is apple. This is apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. And this word starts from A. Children, A is a vowel or not? Yes, A is a vowel. So we will write here A-N. A-N. This is onion. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. And this word starts from O. And O is a vowel. So we will write here A-N. A-N. This is desk. This is desk. D-E-S-K. Desk. Children, the D is a vowel or not? Yes, D is a consonant. D is not a vowel. So we will write here A. This is egg. This is egg. E-G-G. Egg. So we will write here A-N because E is a vowel. And we write A-N in front of those letters which starts from vowel. And E is a vowel. Children, this is sheep. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. And this word starts from S. And S is not a vowel. S is a consonant. So we will write here A. A sheep. A sheep. This is lemon. This is lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. And L is a consonant. So we will write here A. A lemon. This is air. This is air. E-A-R. Air. And this word starts from E. And E is a vowel. So we will write here A-N. A-N. Children, this is umbrella. This is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And this word starts from U. And children, U is a vowel or consonant? Yes, U is a vowel. So we will write here A-N. A-N. An umbrella. An umbrella. This is goat. This is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And this word starts from G. And G is a consonant. So we will write here A. Children, now we will read these words. Now children, we will read these words with A and N-A. Now let's read with me. An orange. An orange. A rabbit. A rabbit. A bus. A bus. An apple. An apple. An onion. An onion. A desk. A desk. An egg. An egg. A sheep. A sheep. A lemon. A lemon. An ear. An ear. An umbrella. An umbrella. A goat. A goat. A goat. A goat. I hope children you will understand that how can we use A and N.